Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Lexus RX350 hood struts. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver and your brand new replacement hood struts. Safety is paramount, so ensure the hood is securely propped open with a sturdy support rod. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from any unexpected debris or spring tension. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for both sides. Now, let's remove the old struts. Begin by locating the two attachment points on each end of the existing hood strut. You'll see small retaining clips holding them in place. Carefully use a small flathead screwdriver to pry these clips away from the ball joints. Once the clips are disengaged, gently pull the old strut off its upper and lower ball joint connections. It should come off with moderate effort. With the old strut removed, it's time to install your new one. Align the new hood strut with the upper and lower ball joint studs. You'll notice they are designed to snap into place. Firmly press each end of the new strut onto its corresponding ball joint until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms a secure and proper connection. Repeat this process for the other side, ensuring both new struts are firmly attached. After installing both new struts, it's crucial to test them thoroughly. Carefully lower and then raise the hood several times, observing its movement. Ensure the hood stays open reliably at its full extension without any sagging or unexpected drops. This confirms your installation was successful. Finally, remember to properly dispose of the old hood struts and any packaging materials. You've successfully replaced your hood struts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.